Hi Sparkle Queens, I'm so excited. It's Laura Ratliff here. I have decided to do a 5-part series for anyone who has just started their own business in Park Lane Jewelry or relaunching, wanting to get back into the scheme of things, and maybe you're wanting to earn the trip or earn a car or just get a weekly pay. So this 5-part series will go over multiple things, from the thoughts that we need to have in business, to the heart that we need, to the focus that we need, so that we make sure that things are growing in accordance. We are going to look at consistency, on planning, how to do live parties, how to do messenger parties, how to share your website with your contacts and their contacts and so forth, how to earn free jewelry, and how to stay connected to the happiness group, and how to have fun. So these amazing things will go over the five videos over the course of the next 5 days. So every day you'll get a little text message in your text, and just watch the video in your own time. But as you have questions, please do write your questions down and ask your questions in the happiness group, and we can either do a Zoom or we can just have a great discussion in the happiness group. Why did I decide to do this? Because I think it was 1.5 years ago that I started Park Lane Jewelry, and I have had massive success. And I have discovered that there are some things about mindset and about your daily actions that really make a huge difference to the success of your business. And I think when we get in our head and we get in our own way, that's when we have struggles and so forth. And I'm here to help you just have fun. And remember, we're all in it together. So let's dive in. Okay, Sparkle Queens, I hope you've got a pen and paper, because we today are going to talk about thoughts, our heart, and what we focus on grows. Now, you're probably like, what? I thought we were going to talk about skills to help me grow my business. Well, yes, we are. But normally we dive into what you do in life, you know, how you do this thing, and how you do a live, and how you do follow-up. But we very rarely focus on our heart and what's going on our inner body. And if we don't have the right mindset, I'm going to be completely honest with you, you will have struggles. You might find a little success, but you'll go up and down, and then in time you'll quit. And so I'm here to speak to you today about having a really great mindset, and how we can connect our mind to our heart, and what we focus on grows. So it's going to be a really great conversation. And if you do have any questions, you can ask it in the happiness group. But you know what? You can also ask any questions in the comments below, because I'll be there to interact with you, and let's have some fun on that. So the first thing is thoughts. Okay. Our mind is everything. Let me tell you a story of when I started my own business that I built 12 years ago. So it was a kids entertainment company, and I wanted to get myself work. So what did I do? I created a website. I got my equipment that I needed. I got the money that I needed for the equipment, and I basically dove in, and I started figuring it out along the way, like how to do bookings, how to get repeat business, and so forth. And what I discovered after all these years, 12 years of being in business for myself, was the moments that I had massive success in my business was when I was finding the fun and smiling and just enjoying myself. But the moments I was focusing on money or getting a goal or growing bigger in my business, those were the moments that I found I struggled the most, and so forth. And I was like, what is that about? And I figured it out. And this is why I said thoughts and heart. Because when you are connected to your heart, which means having fun, just doing the thing and having fun. It's kind of like finding the fun in the moment, as opposed to, I need to get this. When we find the fun in the moment, what are we doing? We're smiling, we're having fun, we're just diving in and figuring it out and see how it goes. We leave the losses, or we leave the things that you make. Okay, for example, you might have 3 orders on a party and you wanted 10, but you go, oh well, that's awesome. I got 3 orders in this party. That's so awesome. And then you go on, and then the next party's 10 orders, and then the next party's 5 orders, and the next party's 1 order. But you don't let what happens navigate your thoughts or feelings on that. So I found when I had massive success, it was because I was finding the fun. And the moments that I was like, oh, I didn't realize that was going to happen. Oh, well. And I assessed it, and I would learn the lessons from maybe something that didn't go to plan. And so when you find the fun, you dive in, and you learn the lessons from what goes on, then that's when you find massive success. So your thoughts, if you have massive negative thoughts, I'm telling you right now, don't be in business for yourself. If you're a negative person, always looking for what could go wrong, or grabbing onto fear, or, just not enjoying every day of your life, then business is not for you. Go get a job, 9 to 5. Just don't work for yourself, because you need to adopt a positive mind. And okay, we all turn on the TV and get negative thoughts a lot of the time. So here's how we can help our mindset thrive in a positive mindset. Every day we wake up and we do an I am statement. I am excited. I am loving life every day. I am grateful for the day ahead. I am grateful for the gifts that I've been given. I am grateful, and I'm loving each and every moment of the day. If you get up and say things like that, I am positive, at the beginning of your day, you're setting yourself up for a wonderful mindset. And if things happen through the day and, something pops up, it's okay. Just notice it and then replace it and go, I am grateful for that situation because I am now positive. Okay? So that's how we can focus on achieving a positive mindset, and we can continue to work on it, because what you focus on grows. And that's going to be my next my next thing. But yes, so your thoughts can control your emotions. So as long as you have a positive thought about what you're doing, it's going to elevate your spirits. You're going to feel better as well. You're going to not worry about if something didn't go to plan in your business. You're going to learn from it and move on. And if you're not sure of how to learn from it, reach out to me. I am here to support you and guide you and coach you. So we are all sisters here. We are the Sparkle Queens. And so if you need any help in your business, if something happens and you're not quite sure, just reach out to me. I'm available in the happiness group 24/7, unless I'm sleeping and my phone's off. But I am here to help you, guide you, and serve you, just as Ali is, and all of the Treasure Tribe. So your thoughts are everything. Keep positive. If you really need to work on positive mind, then you can put positive things on your walls and you can look at them every day. You can look at the positive thing, or if you need a smiley face, draw a little smiley face and pop it up around your house. I actually have a meditation area in my basement, and I have a sign that says start your day with gratitude. And so it just reminds me to, after my meditation, to say an I am grateful about whatever it is that I'm grateful about for that day. And then when you start your day off right, the rest of it just continues, and you are going to set yourself up for success. So thoughts around your business, you have to find the fun. And when you do that, you open up your heart. So your thoughts need to be positive. You need to find the fun. And when you're smiling, your heart is open. Okay? And you're probably like, why are you talking about your heart? I'll tell you this. People pick up on energy. Energy. Have you ever walked into a room and felt someone's negative vibes and gone, ooh, I don't want to talk to that person? Have you ever walked into a room and gone, oh, I just met so-and-so. They're so sweet. They're so nice, blah, blah, blah. You picked up on their good energy. So energy is a make or break for your business. People don't do business with people they don't know, they don't like you, and they don't trust you. People do business with people who they like, they know, and they trust. So you have to look after your heart every day. You have to open yourself, find the fun every day. And when you're smiling and having a great energy, People pick up on that energy and it's infectious. People want to be around happy people. People will come into your lives when you're smiling and having fun and sharing your heart with people. If you're closed off and you're negative, I'm just going to be straight up. Doesn't vibe with people, and you're going to struggle, and people won't come to your live sales, they won't come to your unboxings and so forth. So keep a positive mind. Notice your thoughts, learn from your lessons. Like if something wasn't as planned, then learn from that. If you need help, reach out to me. Open up your heart because your energy is infectious. People pick up your vibrations. People love happy, positive people. And so that should be part of your brand. People should go, I love that Michelle, or I love that Danny, or I love that Amy, or I love that Kayla, or I love that Laura. She was so fun. Hey, friends, I just bought some jewelry from this fun jewelry lady. Would you like the link? Come have fun with us. We have so much fun on her lives. That needs to be part of your branding. So happiness and joy, you need to exude it. And if you're not feeling so good, jump up and down and do an I am statement. And I promise you, you are going to pick up your vibes. Have you ever seen an unhappy person frowning? No. So just start smiling, jump up and down and say an I am statement. That will lift up your vibes. And if you need more vibes, go to the happiness group. Say, hey ladies, I need some happy vibes, and everyone will just pour happy vibes all over you. I promise you. So last but not least today is you get what you focus on. So important, ladies. You get what you focus on. If you look at my sales are low, my sales are low, I'm getting no parties, I'm getting no parties, no one's coming to my lives, no one's coming to my lives, guess what you're doing? You are speaking that into existence. Stop it. Stop focusing on the negatives, okay? I know I don't normally talk about negative stuff, but it needs to be talked about, because if we aren't aware of these things, a lot of us have, and me especially, I work on my mindset every single day, and I surround myself with positive people, with positive YouTube. I turn off the negative news, because it's these thoughts that can make you successful or make you unsuccessful. So you get what you focus on. Focus on your system in your business, which we'll talk in future videos this week. Focus on, okay, what is my next step? Okay, when I get a party booking, what do I do? Focus on getting your parties to 10 orders. Focus on, okay, when I'm like, visualize when I'm live, I have 30, 10, 20, however many people on my lives, and they love me, they feel my energy, I'm giving my heart to them. Focus on these positive things. If you find yourself slipping into the negative focus, oh, I have no sales this week, or I have done nothing here, or whatever, you get what you focus on. You're going to get more of that. So change your focus onto your business. We're going to talk about planning this week. So we'll talk about your structure in your business, what your next steps are. We will talk about how you can design your own business as well. You can pick what structure you like and change it into your own personality and your own branding. But remember, you do get what you focus on. If you want to get that trip to Hawaii with us and you tell yourself, I'm not going to get there, guess what? You're not going to get there. You've already given up. You're embracing fear because you believe that you're not good enough, so you just give up before you even tried. And the people who earn the trips tell themselves the minute they hear about, we're going to Hawaii, guess what they do? They believe that they're going to do it, and they start planning and they start consistently doing, which we'll talk in the upcoming videos. So you get what you focus on. If you find yourself focusing on the negatives, oops, acknowledge it, let it go, and then refocus on positives. I'm going to get 10 orders today. I'm going to share my website with 10 people today. I'm going to help, more importantly, I'm going to help 5 people get discounts, and I'm going to help them get confidence with my jewelry. Know why we do this. It's not about sales. It's not about getting. It's actually about helping other ladies find true confidence from within. We can help them find confidence because when you put these beautiful earrings on, or this gorgeous necklace, or this beautiful arm party, or this gorgeous ring, guess what happens? You smile. You see the reflection in the mirror. Someone gives you a compliment. People compliment people who are wearing jewelry. It's just what happens. It's human nature. So we help other ladies find true confidence from within because when they wear jewelry, it makes them feel good. And when you feel good, your energy rises, you elevate to a higher level. And have you ever seen someone frown that is happy? No. We're eliminating depression and we're helping so many people achieve greatness in their life, no matter what that is. Greatness is specific to you. My greatness is different to your greatness. So don't think, oh, but they don't want to be a big blah, 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 a sports person, or they don't want to be a celebrity. No. Greatness is independent to each individual person. So we are helping other people find confidence, and as a result, they're achieving their dreams in their life and they're achieving greatness because of that. So that's what we're contributing to the world. We are not here to get, we are here to give a service of confidence through the love of jewelry, and we're helping people save money in the process. So you get what you focus on. Know your why. Write it down. Why are you doing this? Write this down. Really listen to your heart and focus on that every day. And stay tuned to the happiness group. Write your questions there, or share your appreciation, or share one thing that you really, really love today in the happiness group, or below in the comments below, of course. Do subscribe to my channel because I do give other great content with ideas on life and business. So do subscribe to that, but stay tuned. Tomorrow I will be texting you another video, and tomorrow we're going to be going over planning and consistency. I'll see you then. Have a great day.